Hello, it's the Hacker 007, and today I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite themes I've ever used. It's pretty plain, I guess you could say, but it is very nice color-wise, and I just like the theme in general. It's called Adulated. I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, to be honest, but I'll show you a little preview of it. Doesn't show the background here, but it just shows you the buttons. So you guys can see it has the star orb, I like the Explorer frame. You guys can see right there. We have the buttons here. It looks a lot better when you actually apply it, but here's the menus, how the menus look. It also comes with a login screen alteration if you so choose to apply. I think this is pretty cool. Oops, my fault. You guys can see that it moves the Windows 7 Professional, the power button, the action center button, these buttons right here. It moves them up here along, and it creates this little box. So normally on Windows 7 login screen, these buttons are actually at the bottom. So to get this to work, we'll actually be replacing a file. So I will show you guys how to do that. Alright, so what I will we'll get right to it. So obviously, guys, you're gonna have to have a computer patch of third-party themes. If you don't already, just go in here, patch it, read the README, so you can do that. Next, we'll obviously apply the theme. So we'll go ahead to theme, and you'll have a couple choices here. So we'll have obviously the folder, and then I suggest the second one right here with 2, just the updated version. The top one is just if you hit your taskbar at the top. So go ahead and open up your C drive. Go to Windows, Resources, Themes, and just drag the in here. I already have it in there, so I don't have to do that. And then just drag the top one in here too, or 2, whatever you want. I suggest 2. Alright. So you can do the one or the 2. I have both. I'll show you the difference, but it's no big deal. Alright, so now we'll go to Explorer Frame. Open. And the nice thing with this one, guys, is it really applying the buttons using this program. So this program will basically just, instead of having to do everything ourselves, we'll just go frame, click frame, hit change, and click on the frame one here. Now if you ever want to restore it back to default Windows 7, open this program again, click on the one, hit restore. And just click on every single one, hit restore. It's like the opposite of doing what we're doing now. So click on frame, go to change, make sure you're in the folder it has to be in, click frame, open. Then go to disabled, hit change, and go to disabled, and go to hover, hit change, and go to hover. Then go to default, change, default. Then go to pressed, and change, pressed. And then we can go to see what other ones they have here. We have the address bar, which is this one right here. And we have the Go one, I believe. And there we go. Now we're done with that. Alright, guys, so if you ever want to restore it back to the default, again, guys, click on whatever one you want and click restore. So just go ahead and click on them all and hit restore on all of them. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to apply the login screen background file. So do this, just go to System File Replacements. I have included this take control, so if you have problems with taking control of the file. So you need to do, guys, is you're going to need to select your operating system architecture. So go ahead and open your startup here, right click on the computer. I'll tell you right here if you have what kind of operating system you have. So I have the 64-bit operating system, so I will go ahead and open the x64. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to use since we already applied these two, we're going to only apply this one right here. This is going to change your login screen background. If you don't want to change your login screen background at all, just go ahead and leave it. You can skip ahead a minute into the video. So open up this file right here, and I actually want to check. Let me double check where it is. Okay, so it's in System 32. So again, go here, open that folder up, open up your C drive and pin on the other side. Go to Windows and press S and go to System 32. And now just scroll down till you see. Oh, that is. Scroll down till you see AU. And here we go right here, guys. You guys can see this is the file we have to replace. Now you guys can see I've already replaced it, so I have the dot backup version. This is my restored normal default version. So we're going to go ahead and replace it now. So open up Take Control, right click it as Run as Administrator, hit Add, and then if it's already in System 32, then good. If not, scroll to this folder and then just type in the file. So and there it is. And then click Take Control. It will say all done. So now you have the ability to rename it and stuff. So we'll go ahead and rename it, and then put dot backup like I have right there. Alright, so I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. Well, let's do this. Okay. So but once you have it like that, guys, just go ahead and 1 second actually. Once it's like that, guys, just go ahead and go to the file, our new one, copy it, and paste it in there. And boom. So now if you ever want to restore it back to normal Windows 7 default, just go ahead and delete this file and then rename the old one and get rid of backup, and then it'll be back to normal again. Alright? So that's about it for the login screen. So now we have applied our login screen. If you want, now it's obviously we have to get the background, so you can use your own custom background if you like, or you can use the one that it comes with, which is this one right here actually. Just go to login background, use tweaks login.exe, and go to change login background. Scroll to the folder, and just click the picture and open, and then it will apply it like this. And if you hit test, you can actually lock the screen and test it out for you. If you click revert to default, it will do that and give you the default 1 in 7 look. So obviously, then you can go ahead and change it again. Alright, so then you have the background. The last but not least is a starter. So open the starter folder. Here we have a couple options. So we have the orb, we have the orb small top, and orb top. Orb and orb top are large orbs. This is for larger taskbars. To check is go to properties, and if you have used small icons check like I do, then you're going to want to use the small ones. So if your taskbar looks like this, you're going to want to use the top. Sorry, you're going to want to use the first or last one. If you have it checked like this, you're going to want to use the middle ones. Now, if your taskbar is on the bottom, use the normal ones. If your taskbar is at the top, use the top one. See, it has its top back. So, since I have a small taskbar and it's at the bottom, I will use the orb small. Not the top one, just the orb small. And there we go. So now you can see it kind of looks stupid right now because it doesn't go with the taskbar. But once you apply the theme, it'll look good. So now we'll go ahead and hit personalize. So you guys can see I now have the 2 one, which is the command and bar mod. So I will apply this one right here, and then we'll apply that one after to see what it looks like. So this is the theme, guys. Again, it's a pretty sweet theme in my opinion. I love the start menu. It's pretty sweet. I like the buttons. I like the close buttons up here, and I think it's a pretty cool theme. So last thing I'm gonna do in this video is we're gonna apply the second one and see it with the command bar mod, see if it changes anything. Okay, so we'll go through and I don't really see a difference, but I think it's the changing of here. It changes this. That's what I think. But anyway, guys, that's about it for this video. So go ahead and download this file in the description below. Otherwise, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials. This is the Hacker 007, and I'm signing off.